step into the Chevrolet 2014 Volt. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle comes with a reliable 4-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include Enhanced Safety Pack 1, Enhanced Safety Pack 2, Premium Trim Package, 6 speakers, 6-speaker audio system feature, AM/FM radio, Sirius XM, Bose Premium 7-speaker audio system feature, CD player and MP3 decoder. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.